Hi everyone and welcome to Advent Poles number 9. This is an exercise in walk that uses 4 poles that are put in the position of a square. To begin with, I walk around the outside of the square, trying to keep as close to the poles as possible. My aim is for the horse to step over the corner almost, so that they are increasing the flexion of the inside limbs. As well as increasing limb flexion, the exercise also encourages lateral flexion of the neck and trunk and works the core. This is an exercise I like to carry out from the ground as well, and I'll stand in the inside of the square while the horse walks around it. So once you're confident with stage 1, you can progress to stage 2. Here I'm going to ask the inside limbs to step inside the corner, and I just ask for that on one corner at this point. Then, once I've become a little bit more confident, I might ask for 2 corners to be stepped into. So I approach on the diagonal to help line up for the first corner, and then I'm asking Elsa to step into opposite corners to begin with as she moves around the square. This is something that they'd find a little bit confusing sometimes to begin with, but a little patience and perseverance, they do seem to get the hang of it. So here I've changed the rein, and I'm focusing on my 2 corners. 1, and there's number 2. Elsa finds this rein a little bit more difficult, which you probably saw as she moved away from the square a bit more than she did on the right rein. Then we're going to progress to all 4 corners. Now this might not be in the same session, might take a little bit longer before you're able to do this. Elsa's done this quite a few times now, so she is quite confident. Now she's not as confident on the left rein, and as you can see there, she missed that corner. The other thing to just be aware of is the length of your poles. These are 9 feet long and they suit Elsa's stride quite well. I have tried them with 12 feet and she struggles a little bit more with those, but if she was a bigger horse, she'd probably find them a little easier. So it's worth experimenting with pole length if your horse struggles with the first pole size that you use. So that was Advent Poles number 9. Hope you enjoyed it. See you tomorrow.